Bittensor is trending toward a 3.9% drop by June 25, based on 30 rates. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. Bittensor is now up 1.3% since yesterday and trades just under $221.70. Let's review the analysts' latest outlooks. The price might reach $225.01 by June 25, CoinDataFlow says. That would be about 1.5% above current value. Bittensor could trend downward to $220.18, according to crypto predictions. About 0.7% down. Digital coin price highlights the potential to dip to $213.83, a fall estimated at 3.5%. A different forecast by 30 rates expects Bittensor might move down to $213, about 3.9% below now. And finally, Traders Union points to $209.65 by June 25, 5.4% below current value. This is the highest profit potential we've reviewed. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a decrease of 5.4% and a gain of 1.5%. Ultimately, Traders Union predicts the top return with 5.4% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $7 and $54 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability standpoint, Crypto Predictions is ahead with a 98.3% chance of success. By merging all 5 forecasts, I've established a single consensus view. According to consensus analysis, Bittensor might fall by 2.4%, nearing $216.34. Here are the key details. The consensus scenario signals a 2.4% decrease in price. Following that trend, your capital might also climb by about 2.4%. If applied to a 1,000 position, the projection could equal about $24. The chance of this consensus scenario occurring is assessed at approximately 96.1%. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. Upside potential is noted by CoinDataFlow, who stays optimistic. A climb is additionally highlighted by crypto predictions, pointing to bullish sentiment. Digital coin price forecasts Bittensor moving lower. Also, 30 rates expects the price to slump further. Also, Traders Union expects Bittensor to head lower. Consensus projections point to a weaker market for Bittensor over the next 3 days. The analysis shows 60% of forecasts aligned on bearish expectations. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Today, we'll see which ones matched reality. Ultimately, the actual closing price was $220.40. In the end, 4 out of 5 analysts got the direction right. Crypto predictions stood out with the sharpest prediction. Let's clear it up step by step. Yesterday's span included 3 forecasts. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with Traders Union leading the positive group at 7.2%. Here's the results table, a clear look at how things turned out. CoinLore had accuracy, 96.5% forecast probability, and 2.6% ROI. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. Now we'll compare the forecasted returns for tomorrow between Bittensor and a few other cryptos. The asset we're focusing on takes the lead with forecasted performance of 2.4%. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and broader cross-asset forecasts are now live on my website. If you're curious about Bittensor's next move, a like helps me know this content is worth continuing. Till next time.